it's Megan with WTI, and when I was a teenager, I used to love lying in the sun to get a dark tan. But now that I'm an adult, I still love having a dark tan, but I want to be smarter about sun protection. So one of my favorite ways to get a natural looking tan has been with this Coco and Eve self tanner. It contains a guide color so I can see exactly where I've applied the self tanner. When I first used this foam, I was a little bit freaked out by the color of the guide on my skin. I thought that that was going to be the resulting tan color, but that is not the case at all. After I leave the tan on my skin for about 6 or 7 hours and I rinse off in the shower, the guide color comes off completely. When using this Coco and Eve foam, I have personally never had anybody who identified my tan as a fake tan. I get so many comments about how nice and dark my tan is and how did I get such a dark tan, and I can choose to keep it as a secret if I want to, but most of the time I spill the beans. During summer shorts and sundress season, I love to rock a really great tan thanks to this Coco and Eve bronzing foam. And that's my point of view.